Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use tactical arbitrage to find good, profitable online arbitrage product and make money with Amazon FBA. And this is exactly something that you can do yourself if you follow step by step all the filters and all the information I'm going to give you. I'm going to be fully transparent on all my setup so that you can profit from it. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to product search. You're going to type the retailer's name. Let's type Walmart. You're going to select a category, let's say beauty, add it to bulk so that it adds it. You're going to name it Walmart, let's say beauty. And then you are going to choose some of your filters. My filter here for cashback is 5% because I get a 5% cashback with my Walmart Capital Rewards card, which I highly recommend you use as well. I want to eliminate from my searches any oversized products, out of stock products, products that contain no weight or size data, no hazmat products, no products that have no buy box. So I always want my products to have a buy box. And I want at least 2 Amazon FBA sellers, no more than 70 sellers. I want no less than 25 sales per month. I am totally okay sharing the buy box with Amazon. Actually, some of the most profitable products are shared with Amazon on the buy box. I just don't want Amazon to dominate the buy box 100% of the time. So if Amazon is in the buy box about 50-75% of the time, I'm totally fine with that. The product on Amazon can be less than $11. If it's less than $11, it leaves you with no profit margin. It has to have at least a 3-star rating to validate the product so that you know that the product is good. Because what happens if it's not? You're going to get a lot of refunds, a lot of customer complaints, and at least 3 reviews, because otherwise the product is probably crap. It's not good, it's new, and it's not worth it. Then I put in my cost of FBA prep, which I'm using an FBA prep center in Delaware. They charge me $1.85 per unit, but I add a little bit more cost to be conservative because always there are additional costs to consider, like more boxes or some product comes damaged or disposal fees, etc. And then we have the shipping to Amazon. It's about 30-35 cents per pound, but again, I always like to be conservative on my estimates, so I put in 51 cents per pound in here. And then I want a profit margin of at least 10% and at least $1.50 per product on profit. Once you have all that, you're gonna save your search. You can put whatever name, or this is to save your filter. Let's say Walmart, new filter, if you wanna save it, and you're gonna run the search. I already have searches that I run in the past, so we're gonna go view data to view that data. We're gonna ignore that. And here you can set your own filters. And again, I am sharing all my filters. So if you like this video so far, give it a like. It's gonna help the channel. As you can see, I only posted 3 videos, so the channel is growing. And I'm gonna put a lot of information out there. So here we go, all my filters. I want the product to be in stock, $11 at least. Estimated monthly sales, 20. Buy box, and here we go. We're gonna apply my filters, and we have 63 products that have been filtered out of the total 211 items. Now the good news for you is that this is pretty time consuming and pretty tedious, but I'm gonna do all the work, and I'm not gonna show you everything on this video because you would probably be bored out of your mind. I'm only gonna pause and unpause this video to share items that I think have an interesting data point so you can learn from it, or to share profitable items that I found. So here is a great example of what would be a great profitable product by what's going on here. This product sells for $16 on Walmart and $41 on Amazon. By the way, I use this tool called Seller Amp, which is amazing. I only recommend Seller Amp, Keepa, Tactical Arbitrage, and Source Mogul, among many other tools that I use. But it tells you a lot of statistics that you can see on first sight and check it out, and you know, make sure that the product is profitable right away. So at first sight, this is great, a great product, but what's going on? It seems like this is being sold by a drop shipper. Not only is it taking more than 2 weeks to arrive to me, which is very strange, but the name of this drop shipper tells me that, you know, pretty not legitimate. So I'm going to pass on that one. As you continue using tactical arbitrage, you're going to run into a lot of products that are profitable, but they're just not meeting your profitability criteria. For example, I want to have a profit margin of at least 10%, and this product is 4%, but you could make a buck every time that you sell this product. See, it sells for $9.44. You plug in the $9.44. Seller AMP already has all your total fees in it, as you can see right here. But definitely great to sell, but it's not meeting my criteria, so I'm going to pass on it. Here's another example. The tactical arbitrage sometimes mismatches products. This is one of the cases. Here, you always have to pay a lot of attention to the photo and the description to make sure that the product is actually matching correctly. For example, on Amazon, here's 33.8 ounces, and in Walmart, it's 8.5 ounces. So obviously, you have the wrong product. Another example of a drop shipper here. This would have been a great product to sell at $7.99. Sells at $19 on Amazon. Very profitable, but it's sold by this guy, and it's going to arrive on June 1st, so passing on it. Look, we have Norelco. These are shaving replacements for a shaver. Would have been a great product as well, but Seller AMP is telling me that there are IP issues related to selling this, so I don't want to risk my Amazon seller account, so I'm going to pass on that as well. Sometimes you're also going to run into this type of products that they look profitable, but you are not able to ungate them. Here, for example, it's restricted. Sometimes you are able to auto ungate, but you know, it says that we're not accepting any new applications at this moment, so I wasn't able to auto ungate. It seems like the drop shipping game on Walmart is real. Look at this. Jingbong E-commerce Hong Kong Corporation is selling this, and he's going to take 3 weeks to deliver it. Otherwise, it would have been a great item to sell. It matches, it's very profitable, but no thank you. And I'm happy to say, ladies and gentlemen, that we found our first product, and it's only taking about 5 minutes to find. And I'm going to share it with you right now. Here it is. This product is awesome. It's coffee, and the first thing that you see is that the product matches. Now, don't be fooled, this is kind of like a brighter picture, but everything is matching. The same description, the same title. It's 10 ounces and 284 grams, and 2 ounces and 284 grams too. It's selling for only 99 cents on Walmart. The third-party seller seems pretty legit. The shipping time is also pretty good. And then if you plug in all this information on Seller AMP, it makes a lot of sense. Look, you can even go higher because a 30-day buy box average is $15.94. So you should change that. I always use a 30-day average, $15.94. And then you have an amazing ROI. Then you have a profit calculator. You have a profit margin of 32%. I'm eligible to sell it. You have 6 FBA sellers in it, no Amazon on the listing, which is also pretty nice. Then it sells, how many times? It sells 112 times per month. Then we can see that everybody's rotating pretty evenly on Keepa. So this is a keeper. And Walmart is letting us buy a maximum of 9 units at a time. And I'm probably going to buy 36 units. Now, if you buy 36 units of this, 36 multiply by, we said we have $5 profit, $5 profit. So multiply by $5, 180. So you just made $180 in about 5 minutes of work with tactical arbitrage. So I am definitely buying this, and I'm not even done going through my search. So as you can see, tactical arbitrage is a very, very powerful tool. I highly recommend that you buy it too. If you want to use my extended free trial code, it's Daily Hernan. It's in my description. And what this is going to give you is 3 extra days. So if you just type tactical arbitrage, you get 7-day trial, but with my code, you get 3 extra days to try it out. So go through the link, type that code, try it out, see if you like it. And this is definitely a great time to be an Amazon FBA seller doing online arbitrage. There is a lot of opportunity using these powerful tools to be constantly finding new products every single day. And you can do it too. So subscribe and like the video. I'm going to be putting more content out there. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.